When we talk about strawberries, we're looking at one of nature's most nutritionally impressive fruits, packed with vitamin C, manganese, folate, and powerful antioxidants that genuinely support cardiovascular health and help regulate blood sugar levels. A single serving can provide more than your daily vitamin C requirement. The antioxidants in strawberries, particularly anthocyanins and ellagic acid, have been studied extensively for their anti-inflammatory properties and potential to reduce heart disease risk. But here's where things get complicated. Strawberries consistently top the Environmental Working Group's Dirty Dozen list, and that's not just alarmist food fearmongering. The reality is that conventional strawberries can harbor residues from over 20 different pesticides. We're talking about chemicals like captan, a fungicide that's been classified as a probable human carcinogen, and malathion, an organophosphate insecticide linked to neurological effects. The structural vulnerability of strawberries makes this problem particularly serious. Unlike fruits with thick, protective peels that you discard before eating, strawberries have porous, absorbent skin that readily takes in whatever chemicals are sprayed on the plants. They don't have any natural barrier. Commercial strawberry farming uses intensive pesticide applications because these fruits are incredibly susceptible to fungal diseases and pest damage. The plants are often treated repeatedly throughout the growing season. Now, let's talk about practical solutions, because simply avoiding strawberries means losing out on significant nutritional benefits. Research on washing techniques shows that a baking soda solution can reduce some surface pesticide residues, though it won't eliminate systemic pesticides that have been absorbed into the fruit tissue. Studies suggest soaking strawberries in a 1% baking soda solution for 12 to 15 minutes can remove more pesticides than plain water rinsing. The organic versus conventional cost-benefit analysis becomes important here. Organic strawberries typically cost 50 to 70% more than conventional ones, which is a substantial premium. However, if you're consuming strawberries frequently, especially if you have young children eating them regularly, that investment in organic becomes more justified from a health perspective. Children's developing systems are more vulnerable to pesticide exposure, and they consume more food relative to their body weight. For those on tight budgets, consider buying organic strawberries during peak season when prices drop and freezing them for year-round use. Frozen organic strawberries often cost less than fresh and retain most of their nutritional value. Another strategy is to reduce consumption frequency of conventional strawberries rather than eliminating them entirely. Perhaps reserve strawberries as an occasional treat when you can access organic versions, rather than a daily staple if you're buying conventional. The bottom line is that strawberries present a genuine nutritional dilemma. Their health benefits are real and substantial, but so are the pesticide contamination concerns. This isn't about creating unnecessary fear, it's about making informed decisions based on your individual circumstances, budget, and consumption patterns.